Okay, so I wanted to do a little mod showcase on a previous video I just uploaded recently on, you guessed it, Herobrine. And yeah, I'll just show you how this works and everything. This is just a little stand I made just to kind of commemorate them. I'll take care of these particles. And yeah. Oops. So yeah, basically this is a armor stand with a piece of flint on top of its head. So basically this is where the piece of flint is. And I went into Blockbench and modeled a humanoid entity using, what was it? Bedrock mod generator, but still works for Java too, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, I had to texture this all myself. It's not perfect, but it'll do. It works pretty good to me. It looks pretty good to me at least. And then if you guys noticed in the previous video, he teleported at me, and it looked like it was kind of activated at a particular point in the map, but actually it senses what the player's doing in order to teleport to them. And I'll clarify what that means in a second. Okay, so let's move on to the actual Herobrine. So this is just a little stand I made. So like if we do kill a type armor stand, it goes away. And this is just a this is one that supposedly has gravity. You see that, you just fell down. So this has gravity. And this is the actual command for the armor stand I use for the mod. So I'll just go ahead and summon him. Oh, he's good. Okay, so he's glowing because I actually... Where's it at? I didn't think this worked because it didn't work on him, but it works on him. Okay. So I'm not the best with data packs, so what I'll do is I'll link a download for the resource pack for this, if you guys want to use that, and then I'll have all of these commands posted in the description, and I'll go over each and every single one. So, to avoid confusion, let me just get rid of them both and then spawn the right one. So, basically, we have this command. Now, I'm not sure if this actually does any. It kind of like the repeating command block acts as like I want to say, I don't know, I'm probably using these terms wrong, but like a source code, I guess. And like if this is activated, then the rest of these chain commands are activated. So this is execute if at nearest player, execute at nearest player if one block beneath them is air. So basically every time you jump, there's one block of air underneath you. So now if we continue, it says, okay, this expands on that. So it says, okay, if there's one block of air beneath the player, run teleport of the armor stand with the tag Herobrine and TP it to one less than Y of the player and 10 blocks away from the player. And that's rotation. I couldn't find WSD there for a second. And this one is execute as at all entities with the tag Herobrine. I should put that as armor stand, but we'll leave that for now because it seems to be working. And at current entity run TP. So run the TP for that armor stand Herobrine. Facing entity at nearest player in the eyes, basically. It's using the eyes as an anchor. And we do execute at nearest player, run teleport. So basically this controls, if you notice in the video when I got near it, it teleported away and when I hit it. Now it doesn't necessarily track when you hit it, it only tracks when you, the player, are 3 blocks away from it or less, and it'll teleport away. So you can't actually touch Herobrine, basically. Because he's sort of like an illusion, I guess, is what I'm going for here. So it says if you're 3 blocks near him, TP him 20 blocks away instead of the original 10 like we saw whenever you air jump like this. And then next we have basically if you're near that Herobrine armor stand within a 5 block distance or less and it's anchored to the eyes, run effect give player Minecraft blindness. So that was the whole blindness stuff. That's why everything went dark. And then I have this command block, which basically just runs the sound. So it just says execute at that armor stand and run and execute at player within 5 blocks or less of the armor stand. Run execute playsound Basalt Delta's mood. So basically that's a sound you heard, and what it does if you have it on a repeating command block is it loops it, and it kind of gets infinitely louder, I'd say. I had it turned to a bit lower, I think, on the server I had it on, but I think it's fine on here. So if we go ahead and activate this one, now it's looking at me. If I jump, it's going to teleport, and it does phase through walls as well. I kind of liked that as a feature. At first I was trying to fix it to where it would like drop down to the sky and have gravity and then fix itself, so like it's just standing. But I kind of like the fact that it's kind of phasing through walls. And like he's looking at you, I don't know why, at least to me, it almost looks like he's 2D, even though you can see, oh, got a bit too close. Even though you can see like he's 3D, as you just saw. And then I can go ahead and do this one for the sound, and now if you get near him, I did recently just up the distance. So like it would be like if I got near him right there, it would be 35 blocks away, and the normal distance would be like 25. I think I made it. So just a little bit further, just so he's more in the distance and more ominous. Kind of like he used to be in the render fog. So I thought that would be kind of cool. And that is basically it for it now. I am planning on expanding this mod and making it so you have to make an altar or something like that and actually do a boss fight with him. So we'll see how that mod turns out. But for now, this is basically all it's capable of. It's a good little prank thing, I guess. I am planning on using this on my friends, so take a look out for that video if you want to see that on that server. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm happy with the way it turned out, and this is one of the fastest mods I've ever made. So yeah, subscribe if you want to see some more mods like this or anything else, I guess, of this sort of content. And any updates on this mod that I will be doing. I forgot you can't break grass with a sword. Anyways, talk to y'all later, and thank you for watching. Bye.